Well, we're hoping everyone had a wonderful Valentine's. I stayed kind of quiet around here, got the shop cleaned up, and got the trim shop all reorganized, ready to get back on interiors. Real quick yesterday, I was still disappointed in the arbor press / wood splitter bill, but I wasn't going to give up. So I went to the mill, picked me out a piece of 1.25 inch, just cold rolled stock, cut me off a 9-inch piece so it'd have 3.5 inches sticking out the barrel down here. And absolutely, still can't split the red oak. But with this point, it made everything much more sturdy. Now, this piece of white oak is in here, and I already had put it in. But at least it does not, with the adjustable end here, kick right or left and won't stay on there. I needed something that would stay permanently down on there and not end up hurting me. And my old good buddy Steve over at Bell's Machine said, hey, you need a big steering wheel. I had to agree. You know, a big steering wheel on here might be all right. But all I'm after is some kindling. And then I can put this thing down, and I'm not going to drop it. I say I'm not going to drop it. Let me lock this off because I don't want to get hurt on camera. I have to admit that a steering wheel would absolutely probably be a lot easier to handle than this big ratchet. But now it's not kicking off. Come on, baby. There we go. Now that's what I'm always afraid of. That's the reason I have this stop. But guess what? I'm 1.5 inches short down there on that big dowel. Let me move this around as a temporary stop down here. So I didn't even check that yesterday. I know why, because this was adjusted when I cut that off on the other ram was screwed all the way in, and it was up flush with the steel. Okay. All right, well, split about 3 crates of firewood this morning. Got a cold front coming in. So Friday will be 29 in the morning and around 54, I guess, the afternoon. So hopefully the wood splitting is coming to an end. And get back in the trim shop, get on the 55 and then on the 55 Chevrolet and the 65 Stingray C2, and then on to Allen's 76. Got a couple of seats and a couple of door panels to do. So happy Valentine's to everybody. Thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. And put your comments in here. I'll just call this part 4 done deal. Not gonna do any more fixturing. Not gonna make any more adapters. And it is what it is. And probably just gonna be back sitting over here in the corner when I needed an arbor press with more reach than my number 3. So Bear's Rod Shop, we're out. We appreciate all the viewers and subscribers. And everybody stay healthy, safe, and well. We're out of here.